In this tutorial, we are gonna show you how to make a title slide like this in Microsoft PowerPoint easily. If you want to be an expert in Microsoft PowerPoint and want to make a wonderful title like this, watch the video till the end. So let's begin the topic. Let me go to Home, insert a blank slide. I have to add some background color. Let me go to Design, go to Format Background, select Gradient Field and let me choose this color. And you may change the gradient stops from here. You may add some gradient stops and you can change the color from here. But I don't need actually this color. This is looks good. I have to insert a shape. Go to Insert, go to Shape, insert a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this and resize it. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Then again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick this shape, arrow and drag it over here like this and rotate it and place it here and resize it. Then go to Shape Outline, make it no outline and place it like this and press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this over here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here and again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. Then select all of the shapes and click on right button and click on Send to Back. You may arrange it like this. Then select all of the shapes, actually the arrow shapes, go to Shape Format, go to 3D format and change it to round. Then change the width and height to 50 and 50. This is looks good. Now I have to change the color. Select this shape, go to Shape Format, select Shape Fill, make it this fill. Then select this shape, go to Shape Fill, select this color. Then select this shape, go to Shape Fill, select this color. Then again I have to select the background shape, go to Effect, go to 3D format, click on round, change the width and height to 6 and 3. Then let me click on this shape, go to Gradient Field, change the color from here and change the stop. Then this looks good. Then I have to add some text, go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here and write 1. Change the font from here, Agency FB and change the font size. Then place it like this, make it bold and go to Shape Format, click this format. Then click on this text box, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here and change it to 2 and place it like this. Then again press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here, change it to 3. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it over here and change it to 4. Then I have to select, now I have to select the background shape and select on this shape, this shape, this shape and this shape. You have to hold the Ctrl key and select all the shapes and go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and click on Subtract. This looks good. Now I have to add more text, so I have to go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. Then right here, Table of Contents. Go to Shape Format, click on this format and make it bold and increase the font size and change the font to Agency FB and change the bold option. Then increase the font and place it like this. Again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here, Introduction, go to Shape Format, change the text format from here, make it wider, rotate it and place it like this and you may change the font size and you may change the font. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here and press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it over here and change the text chapter 1, chapter 2 or chapter 3. And this is our final title slide. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.